Welcome to the Animal Impact on Grasslands module. In this first video, we will look at why herds form and why they move. By the end of this short instructional video, you will be able to identify which factors lead to herd formation and what makes herds keep on the move. Let's start with our given herbivore, which will be represented by a cartoon sheep. Now, when we have a number of herbivores with nothing limiting their range, they like to be spread out grazing. However, in nature, with most large herbivorous animals, we do not find them spread out. Rather, something is keeping them bunched together within a limited space. This is invariably pack-hunting predators of one type or another. Here, we will represent the predators as cartoon wolves. However, you may like to pick your own examples, such as reindeer and wolves in Northern Europe, wildebeest and lions in Southern Africa, kangaroos and humans in Australia, or even bison and humans in North America. Animals stay bunched for safety in numbers. If an animal strays from the herd, it is at risk of predation. If this herd pressure was not present, selective grazing would occur due to the animals being spread out and having no competition for forage. In selective grazing, herbivores eat what they prefer and leave what is unpalatable. This results in the overgrazing of some plants and the simultaneous undergrazing of others. This is what happens on many farms and is why livestock are often blamed for land deterioration. In contrast, however, when herd pressure is applied, non-selective grazing results. Animals are present at high densities and are in competition with one another for forage. Only a portion of the forage is taken before the herd must move on. At the same time, much forage is trampled, laying litter to cover the ground. The feet of the herbivores also aerate the soil, encouraging microbial growth and seed germination. As a result, plants recover quickly from grazing and acquire great vigor, increasing the rate of photosynthesis. In fact, grazed plants recover far more quickly than plants simply mown, due to the beneficial interactions between herbivore and plant. Once recovered, grasslands show high density of plants and a succession towards more productive and highly palatable forages. Positive impacts of non-selective grazing brought about by herd effect include reduced evaporation, reduced soil erosion, decreased soil temperatures, greater soil aeration, greater water penetration, increased seed germination, and greater plant diversity. Now, let's look at why herds must continually move. As the animals are bunched, their defecation and urination are concentrated in a small area. This fouling forces herbivores not to stay too long in one place, which also means that internal parasites don't take hold on a herd. The herbivore's waste is fantastic fertilizer for the plants, and it helps feed the small insects such as dung beetles and microorganisms in the soil. In addition, the microbes in the soil, from the herbivore's guts are deposited on the soil, enabling soil inoculation, which is particularly useful for soil function following drier periods. Overall, the herd effect contributes enormously to grassland ecosystem health, increasing photosynthesis, which is the conversion of carbon dioxide to energy-rich sugars using solar energy, which enables plants to pump more carbon to symbiotic fungi and bacteria in the soil. In return, microorganisms pass on essential minerals for plant growth. This in turn provides the herbivores, and those that dine on the herbivore, a rich nutritional diet. The feeding and protecting of the soil microorganisms also helps store water and carbon in the soil. As caretakers of the land, we as humans must learn to manage lands in nature's image.